Hi everyone, today I will explain arrays in C++. An array helps us store many values using one name. All values in one array must have the same data type. This code creates an array named scores. It can store 5 integer values. In C++, the index starts at 0, so score 0 is the first element, and the score 4 is the last element. We can put value into different positions in the array. Each element works like a normal variable. For example, scores 0 store 90, scores 1 store 85, and score 2 store 100. A for loop is useful when working with arrays. In this loop, I start at 0 and end at 4. The program uses I as the index and print every score in the array. One common mistake is using an index that does not exist. If the array size is 5, the last index is 4, not 5, so score 5 is wrong. Remember, array index starts at 0 and the last index is size -1. Thanks for watching.